The plan took 12 months to develop and took into consideration both the internal but also the external strategic challenges that Bendigo Health were facing. We did service analysis and looked at what were gaps within our service, what were the needs of the community, and how we were best going to meet those needs over the next 5 years. The plan was also developed within the context of the Australian health reform and also the Victorian State Government's priorities framework for 2012 to 2022. The plan was developed through very broad consultations, so led by our board, our executive team, as well as a number of our clinical leaders from across the hospital, and involvement from our broad team throughout through the communication that they've fed in through the life of the previous plan, so through things like our monthly reporting process over the last 5 years. The plan was very much based on our evidence-based research prior to the process, so looking at the health demographics of the Loddon Valley region, but also very much about based on the feedback we'd heard from patients, from the community and from our team over the past 5 years. What excites me most about this strategic plan is our opportunity to maximise the investment of the new Bendigo Hospital and really make some meaningful change to the health and wellbeing of the Loddon Valley community. So obviously that's more than just the buildings. It's about ensuring that our models of care are evidence-based and best practice, and then the opportunity to deliver those models of care in world-class facilities is really exciting. The plan really is the product of much teamwork over a 12-month period, and in particular the values was a very, very inclusive and I think empowering process for staff. I was really proud of how everyone engaged in the process. We had many hundreds of staff that are involved in workshops and providing their feedback on their commitment and what they feel like they needed to do towards achieving our strategic plan over the next 5 years. And very, very proud of the three values that we ended up coming up with, which were caring, passionate and trustworthy. I think this strategic plan provides a really strong high-level direction for our staff as to where we need to head, but in the next breath really empowers them to show us how we need to get there. So particularly through the departments and the divisions business planning process, the staff are really empowered to make decisions about how we achieve our strategic vision and move from good to great. Well, it should provide every staff member with an opportunity to see how they can contribute to the achievement of our vision. So Bendigo Health is a very complex organisation. It's a very big organisation and delivers a very wide range of services. So with that does come some complexity, but I hope with the plan that we've been able to produce a sophisticated but simplified plan that does allow everyone to see exactly how they can assist in meeting the needs of our community.